Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to the Day Trader. How is everybody this morning? I'm here at the airport, heading back to the United States of America at the end of a wonderful vacation, and we are looking at a market this morning with the greatest opportunity for a decade. Everybody wants to buy Tesla when it first came out. Everybody wants to buy Bitcoin when it came out. Everybody wants to buy Microsoft, Google, Meta, Facebook, formerly. All these great companies when they first come out and get the best prices. How often, though, does that ever happen? Well, in the last few days, we've seen huge sell-offs in the market, and it's presented opportunity. So I'm going to explain what I have done, how to take the advantage of this, and why this is this supposed to be. Are we supposed to be investing in buying great companies that make things and do things, or are we merely gambling and speculating and selling out at the first obstacle, then realizing we're not really investing in anything in the first place? So let's cover that right in this video. So first of all, if you've just tuned in, thank you very much indeed. As always, hit the subscribe button if it's your very first time here, and also help me out by giving me a nice big thumbs up. That also helps out. Here's the smash the like button. There he is, Mr. Mini-Me. Smash the like button, and then you'll be notified whenever I go live back in the US, starting again on Monday with our opening bell. Looking forward to seeing you all. So let's get straight into it, and let's have a look at my position this morning. So here is my position right now. This is live right now. And as you can see, we had a huge drop yesterday with Meta. We've had it with Apple. We've had it with Amazon. And I have bought all the dips. I've doubled my positions on all of those assets. Why have I done that? I'm going to explain now. Should I have done that? And so on. So here's my position right now. Let's go straight into Apple first of all. This is Apple. So let's discuss Apple first of all. Apple actually sold less iPhones but exceeded their earnings. Now let's remember one very important thing. When they do expected earnings, that is done by analysts. It's not done by Apple. Apple aren't saying what they're going to earn. That's what they expect. That's what analysts expect them to earn. So when they don't do that, everything sells off. Well, hang on a minute. 5 minutes ago, Apple was a great company, and all of a sudden, everybody wants to dump it. Exactly the same thing happened with Amazon. Let's have a look at Amazon. Look at this. One of the best businesses in the world. You've got to own Amazon. If you don't own Amazon, then you don't understand investing in the first place, right? So I've wanted to buy Amazon, what it was back in 2020 when COVID hit. Well, now we can buy it at that price. Now you might say, well, the economy's changed. We've got all sorts of inflation. We've got all sorts of issues going on. But this is now an opportunity to buy back what it was in 2020. Now, I entered the market in 2021. I wasn't able to buy and thought I would never be able to buy Amazon at those prices. So last night, when it dropped like it did, it was a gift for me. At the end of the day, the fundamentals of this company haven't changed. Amazon is a great company, a fantastic company. Of course, I want to own Amazon. Why wouldn't I? But what this has shown is not a change in the market. It's shown you the mentality of investing. And I think it's very important to understand that, right? Are you investing in buying a company that makes money, a company that is going to earn you money long term, going forward? Is it going to grow long term? Or are you merely following sheep? Are you merely following the trend? And last night, because of fear, because of the earnings, the expectations for the holidays, people spending less money, people dumped it. Now, to me, that shows they never invested in the company in the first place. They wasn't a believer of what Amazon are doing. They haven't researched Amazon. They haven't researched the CEO. They haven't discovered what Amazon really want to do. They've just found the prices going down and jumped ship. Well, that makes absolutely no sense to me whatsoever. But I love when that happens because it presents me the opportunity to buy Amazon at a bargain price. Now, unfortunately, I was already in. I'd already bought Amazon a year ago, so I'd paid a higher price than this. So I didn't buy the very bottom. I bought the bottom last night. I doubled my position, but that gives me an average of somewhere in between. That's the best I can do, but that's okay for me. I'm happy with that. To me, this is a wonderful opportunity because the company hasn't changed, the fundamentals haven't changed. So why would I not buy Amazon at this price? If I'm going to buy Amazon, I put it this way. If your favorite pair of jeans was a pair of Levi's, and that's the pair of Levi 501s, and you'll always spend $50 on a pair of Levi's, that's your favorite pair of jeans, you've always wore them, you'll always wear them, but today you're getting a 75% discount. Would you buy them for the next 5 years, so you don't have to buy Levi jeans for the next 5 years? And someone whispers to you just before you get to the cash register and says, hey, if you hang around a minute, you might get it at 76% discount. Would you hang around, or would you just go, 75% is fine for me? Fantastic, I'm going to load my boat. One of the best ways to make money in the future, Mark Cuban once said this, if you always use toothpaste, and toothpaste is on 99% discount right now, would you buy enough toothpaste to last a lifetime? Well, I answer the question, yes, I would, because I'm always going to use toothpaste. That way I beat inflation, that way I beat speculation, that way I beat all the day trading and the scalping going on, because I'm always going to use toothpaste. Well, I believe that Amazon is going to be around forever. I believe Amazon is an incredible company. It does great business. So what did I do? I bought it on the dip. To me, this is a positive, fantastic opportunity. Let me see if I've got anybody in the chat right now. If I've got anybody in the chat, you can talk to me right now and ask me a question. Ed Nevius, good morning, everyone. How are you, Ed? How do you feel about the recent drops? Do you feel that the drops were a great opportunity, or did you merely run to the hills? Let's also look at the last one, and that is Meta. This is Meta. Now, this is a great story. As you can see, it's already popping back up again now. Meta, a lot of people are angry with Mark Zuckerberg. They don't believe in Mark Zuckerberg. They don't believe that the guy who created Facebook all of a sudden is an idiot, right? This is the guy 5 minutes ago invented Facebook. People didn't like him then. They didn't like where he was going, and they jumped on the bandwagon when they could see the price going up. They wasn't really investing in the company. They wasn't really investing in Mark Zuckerberg's innovation and ideas and creativity. They were jumping on the bandwagon. They were jumping on the load of sheep marching down the road. Well, for me, I don't like Facebook. I hate it. I don't use it. I have an account and whatever, but I don't like it. I prefer YouTube. For me, Facebook, it's just, I haven't got no interest in it. But I do have interest in making money. And I know that Facebook, Meta, is a cash cow. It makes more money than most other companies. It doesn't have any debt whatsoever. It has bucket loads of money. So someone came along to me and said, this is a brand new company, and it's got, 1.9 billion customers, loads of money in the bank, has no debt. Would you invest in it?